In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Square Shifts. Square Shifts is your built-in tool for scheduling and tracking time inside Square, and this walkthrough will take you from setup to reporting in a clear, practical way. Start by adding your team in the Square dashboard. Head to Staff and create a profile for each employee or contractor. While you're there, set their availability so you know when they can work. You can enter this in the dashboard or let team members update it through the Square Team app. Keeping availability accurate prevents conflicts later, so encourage your team to keep it up to date if their schedules change. Next, build your schedule. Go to Staff, then Scheduling, and Open Schedule. Add shifts by choosing the day, start time, and end time, then assign each shift to a team member. You can assign up to 3 shifts per person per day if you're using split shifts. If you're not ready to assign everything, leave some shifts open so eligible staff can pick them up from the app. This is helpful for covering peak times or last-minute needs without overhauling the whole schedule. When the schedule looks right, publish it. Publishing makes it visible to your team and sends them a push or email notification with their upcoming shifts. Remind staff to enable notifications in the Square Team app so they don't miss updates or changes. If you make edits after publishing, republish so everyone is alerted. On the workday, team members clock in using either the Square Point of Sale or the Square Team app. They enter their personal passcode or use their badge, tap Clock In, and they're on the clock. At the end of their shift, they tap Clock Out. If your roles vary during the day, they can switch roles mid-shift, and they can also start and end breaks, so those are tracked correctly. It's a good practice to confirm the device time and time zone so recorded hours are accurate. If someone needs a change, they can request a shift swap, a cover, or time off in the Square Team app. As the manager, review these from the dashboard under Staff, then Scheduling, then Requests. Approve or decline with a note so the team stays aligned and the schedule stays clean. As shifts are completed, Square automatically creates time cards. Review hours worked, breaks, and overtime, and make any necessary corrections before exporting. Use the reporting filters to see specific date ranges or locations, and export time cards or summaries for payroll and labor tracking. With those steps, you'll keep your team scheduled, your hours accurate, and your payroll ready on time.